spin your back foot flat, and then scoot the right foot a little to the right. So you want to line the front right heel up with the outer edge of the back heel. Front heel to the outer edge of the back heel. Seal strong through the outer blade of the left foot, and then bring both hands on top of your right knee, right thigh. So you're climbing up. Good. Now come all the way up. Take your arms straight up to the sky as we come into the beautiful, strong Warrior One pose. This is Warrior One. You keep that front knee bending right above that front right heel. Good. Bring the right hand down to the right waist. Extend the left arm forward. And as you reach that left arm forward, see if you can turn the outer left hip forward so both hip points are facing forward to the top of the mat. That's why you want the front foot to be spread out over towards the right so you have room in the hips to turn that outer left hip forward, to spiral that inner left thigh back. Good. Now both arms back up to the sky. Spread the fingers wide, and just like you did in chair, have space in the shoulders. Turn the little fingers in a little bit so you externally rotate through the shoulders. Make sure that your gaze is around the horizon so you're not straining through the neck. Descend the right thigh down. Take one last inhale, reach up, and then exhale, hands to the ground.